Welcome to How It's Fixed. In today's video, we would take out the front bumper of 2016 Acura MDX. Always a good idea to lift up the car a little bit so that we can go underneath to take out necessary clips and bolts. The other side is damaged, nothing to open there, would leave as it is. Also, there are 4 screws, one here, 2, 3, and 4 that needs to be taken out. Underneath part is done, and now we jump onto the side. Both side screws are taken out. Now we jump on top. Top engine cover needs to be pulled out. You'll see a bunch of clip hidden underneath top engine cover. All of them needs to be taken out. So we also need to take out the exhaust cover because there was one clip underneath and that was hidden. Pretty much everything is taken out. Now we slightly pull the bumper. So the final thing left was the headlamp washer nozzle. Needs to be taken out from the joint which is on the passenger side. Once nozzle is pulled out, flood washer is spilled and we had to grab a bottle to contain the flood. While we are doing this, and if this video helps you in any way, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. It is an encouragement to make more videos. And until next time, we will catch you in the next video.